Today I'm going to show you how to make this mason jar ice cream. This is a chocolate ice cream I'm making today, and I gotta tell you, this is good. All right, we're going to need 1 cup of heavy cream. It's also known as pure cream in Australia, and that's probably a little less than half of this package. 2 tablespoons of a granular erythritol sweetener. Any kind that you like is fine. 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Now, optional, you can throw in a couple tablespoons of sugar-free chocolate chips if you like. I haven't got any on hand, so I'm going to go ahead and just make it with these. You're also going to need a mason jar, otherwise known as a preserving jar. They come in different sizes. This is probably bigger than what we need because you're going to have maybe a cup of liquid and a little bit more going in, and when we shake it and mix it up, it might double in size. I don't think it's going to come near filling this jar though, but that's all right. This will work just fine. If you're not sure where to get these, I actually got this one at Kohl's, and it was over by the kitchen supplies and things, and they just called it a preserving jar. It was $3. But you can use any container really that you've got a nice cover on and you can shake it up. You're going to need to give it a good shake for several minutes. So all you're going to do is mix all of your ingredients in the jar. So there's the cup of cream in there, the 2 tablespoons of the granular erythritol, your tablespoon of cocoa powder, and a teaspoon of vanilla. So now you're just going to put your lid on and start shaking. Now I'll warn you now, the original recipe said to shake it for 5 minutes. If you do it that long, you're likely to make butter. Shake it until it's thick and you don't hear any liquid sloshing around anymore. You're just trying to make it whipped cream. So this, you can't hear anything moving anymore. That was really only a little over 2 minutes. I'm not going to shake it anymore because from my experience, it's going to turn into chocolate butter, and I definitely don't want that. So I'm just going to have a quick look. Look at that. Thick whipped cream. That's what we want. We're just now going to freeze that for at least 3 hours and up to 24 hours. And then it's ready to enjoy. That's it. Okay, this has been in the freezer for about 3.5 hours. And then I took it out about 10 minutes ago and put it in the refrigerator, just to soften it just a little bit. That seems to have worked. You can see it's still a whipped texture all the way down the middle there. Yep, and that looks soft enough to serve. I'll go ahead and dish it up. So there you have it. That is mason jar chocolate ice cream, and I gotta say, it was so easy to make. And it's really good. I do hope you try this. This is worth it. So good. Try other flavors as well. You know, experiment with ways to make vanilla or strawberry, or put whatever you like in your ice cream. Like I say, chocolate chips are optional in this recipe. Really, you could do anything with it. Enjoy.